Hey everybody, Steve 87th here. So it's that time. I am finally ready to go ahead and load up and get things going. So let's get this going. Okay, now the big thing was to get all of this into the back of my Toyota Highlander. I wanted to make sure that it didn't slide all over the place, so I had to strap it all down. The one thing that I didn't realize was how squeaky the foam was going to be against the car. That was a fun trip. Okay, so now it's time to get on the road. Okay, you can see here, that's Nancy's backdrop. There's no end scale there anymore. This is what we've got right now for her HO setup and or end scale, whatever it is that she wants to do. She's got room. I'll keep you out of the shot, Nancy. Unless Nancy wants to say what she feels about this. You want to get on video for a minute and say,
Hi, I like it. I mean, this is so much bigger than what my other one looked like. It didn't look like this. And so, but I can't wait to get the bridges in. I really want the bridges. So, yeah.
okay, so there you guys have it. This is the last one, including the trip into Seattle. Steve 87 saying thanks for watching. I want to thank you guys for watching. If there's any questions about what I'm doing, please put them in the comments below. Give this video a like, and ask other people to come look at it, and or subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Anyway, this is Steve 87 saying thanks for watching.